Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to share with you a brief update. This is the chassis for the 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle Sedan. Earlier videos we were sharing with you all the work that we were doing on the body when it was off the chassis. We've got several photos of the chassis before we pulled the engine and the seat tracks and all that kind of fun stuff. And then now what we've done is we have the working on the floor pans. So we media blasted the whole chassis, and you can see here we have it all down to bare metal. There's still a few parts that we have to media blast with the suspension, but we're going to do that separately. We thought the pans were going to be in decent shape, but as you get looking at them closer, they'll probably be easier to see on the other side, but there's numerous holes, and I think you can probably see that. I think the camera can pick it up. So a bunch of tiny little pinholes all the way along, and you can see, hopefully it'll show up in the video. So when we see the metal that thin, we obviously can't trust that for a long period of time. So we've ordered these, there's basically a good, better, and best for floor pans. And we have the best, and it's a newer Beetle, so it has this, this top post, because we're going to put the original seats back in. So if the camera person can just come around the other side of the chassis, we'll just take a brief look at the bottom side. And you'll see, obviously we have the new pan done on the driver's side. So we have it tilted up right now. So this is the driver's side, this is the passenger side. So you can see the frame head is in really nice shape. They're notorious on the Super Beetles for having a lot of corrosion and rust in this area where it attaches, and also up in the front section. And this was in very, very nice condition. And then you can see once again the floor pans with all the little holes in them. I think that hopefully will come up in the camera. Sometimes it's not as obvious, but with the camera, but we can see there's all kinds of pinholes going all the way through. So this had heavy, thick rust-proofing material basically sprayed everywhere. So it was quite a job for us to media blast to get it all off. But then it shows us exactly what we're dealing with the metal. And you can see this center tunnel. This is the factory tunnel. This is in very nice condition. And our back suspension section is very, very nice also. So our next step, we just wanted to show halfway through with the new floor pan in on one side. The next task is going to be to remove this original pan from 74, and then we'll get the chassis prepared for the other floor pan, and then we'll show you what it looks like when we have both new floor pans in. So just a brief update. This is the 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle. I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.